Okay, what we need to do is, there's water that's coming in. It's about 8 to 9 inches above the top of the window there. Well, the base of the window at the top. So it's coming up to about that course there. So when they put this filter system on, they took the drip edge and they pushed up on it. So what we want to do is we want to take the screws out of the drip edge and cut that drip edge probably about an inch off of it, and get the roofing shingles pushed down this full 5 foot length. And then what we're going to do is take a look at the step flashings there and address that bottom edge and make sure that everything is all diverted out. And we're going to take and come off of we're going to screw some 1x3 from here down and make ourselves like a triangle framing, and cap this with a piece of aluminum that's going to go underneath the drip edge down here under the roof and flare out. Okay, so that way all the water, and then we'll put an end cap, an aluminum end cap, out past this corner of the drip edge. And then that's going to go all the way up to the point here. So underneath the drip edge, we'll cut a big aluminum triangle, and we're going to give it about a 1.5 to 2 inch flare onto the roof, so any water coming on is going to be pushed onto the roof and nothing can get back to that wall. And then cap it off and dress it up. Okay, and then we got to make sure that this point up here is safe. Get it sealed off.